Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's have a look at Blocklords, or the token is called LRDS. It is an extremely low cap, as you can see here, with a market cap of over only 6 million, around 6 million. And if you look here, it actually went from 5 million to 6 million, just 1 million market cap increase, and the price jumped like 34%. So let's break down this coin, whether it is a good buy or not. So from my findings, I think this coin is just a bet, as you can see here. So it will most likely continue to go down like it did. I will explain in just a second. Now before that, let's just see what caused this pump. So basically I checked their Twitter or their X. There was nothing. There was only this post where still stuck into the browser web3 games. Basically they posted this and the token pumped like crazy. So I'm not sure what happened there, but it is what it is. And they also had a big pump back in April, as you can see, or May, as you can see here, but the price actually ended up hitting new all-time low. So this pump actually started because of this Coinbase Learn quiz campaign for the Blocklords. So it happened because of that. Now coming to the token itself, it is a game which is called Blocklords, which is an MMO game. It is available on PC as of now. It is available on Epic Store as well, as you can see here. And it is a strategy MMO online multiplayer. And if you just, it is a free to play, so that's pretty good. If you just scroll down and look at the requirement, the CPU requirement is not that high, but the GPU requirement is quite high, as you can see here. So I'm not sure why is that, but it's quite high. Now coming to the game itself, they have a lot of things going on here, so I'm not going in depth in a game. We'll just talk about the token and its potential itself. Now they also have something called Lord Chain as well, which is a layer 3, and this is what they have. So basically as of now they have two games. They have Blocklords, they have Dynasty, as you can see here. Now if we look at their biggest announcement recently, they actually ended up announcing a lot of things. They actually went into the AI itself. So what the AI does, it will basically first AI agents in the game, train heroes to become agents, chatbot hero trainer, AI farm management, trader agent, different AI things in the game. Basically these are going to be NPCs, I believe, nothing more. After that, if we just scroll down, this is a studio which is building the game itself. And if we just go to this section, these are the various heroes that you can actually play in the game. There are a lot of them as well, as you can see here. Now let's have a look at the real thing, which is the token itself. Now the token has a max supply of 100 million, as you can see here. And so the token has a max supply of 100 million, as you can see here, and out of which 30% goes to the community and ecosystem, 31% to the investors, 10% to the marketing, 10% to the advisors, and the rest goes to the foundation and reserves. So this is a massive supply going towards investors as well as marketing. Marketing is pretty good. Basically they are marketing their own game. That means it is going to put a lot of stress on the token's price, because they will most likely be selling their tokens to actually increase do the marketing itself. Now what is the concerning here is the investors itself. As you can see here, over 31%, which is a lot. And if you just go here, they actually buried it deep down here. And so if we just go here, this is how it looks like. So the investors receive around 31 million token and they have no cliff. So basically when the token came out, the investors also got some of their supply as well, and they have vesting in 30 months. So basically right from the launch of the token back in July 2024, the sell pressure from the investors as well as from the marketing started to happen. As you can see here, this is a pure price action where we have a lot of sellers in the market, and I think the investors are receiving as of now monthly tokens, and they are most probably selling them as you can see here. So whenever the token goes up, they basically wait, and when they think there are no buyers in the market, they just sell it. So I think That is what is happening with the token, and around they still have 20 months, around 18 months to go, where they can sell the token even more. So that is not good for the token itself, I think. And if you look here, I think as long as the supply, as long as we have 60 million supply, it has yet to come out. So I think this means that the token itself will continue to go down, so that's not good. If you have already bought the token at higher price, let's say that around 50 cent or even higher than that, or $1, I think it is probably best to take the profit as the coin goes up. If you have a pretty good average pricing. If not, there is a high chance that if they announce something groundbreaking, that the token's market cap goes beyond 100 million. Of course, after that it can go above $1. But if you look here, the token never had that much demand, so it only actually ended up hitting 20 million. It has never gone above 20 million, so that is a massive deal as well. So I think even if you look here, the demand for the token itself is just not there as of now. But again, the price can go really high because of the low market cap. So even if we see a 12 or even 20 million market cap, the price will most likely go as high as 35 to 40 cents. So that's pretty good. Again, I think this investors getting the token will continue to put a lot of stress on the token, as well as the marketing budget is being sold as well. So that is already vested, as you can see here. So I think this is not good. And now even the advisors got their tokens in just, I think, this month. So that is additional sell so they will get their tokens in July. So that is going to be additional sell pressure for the LRDS token. So I think overall it's not that good. And looking at the utility of the token itself, it is gameplay rewards, in-game purchases, governance participant, and some more basically for their layer 3, I think. But overall, I don't think that this is a good tokenomics, and especially if you are buying this coin, it will continue to go down. But it could be a pretty good buy if you just buy it at a low price and sell it as soon as it goes up. As you can see here, it is highly volatile because of its low market cap. So even if 1 million can actually push its price even higher. But as of now, if you look here, we have 200 EMA here, which seems to be the massive resistance that it actually struggles to cross. As you can see, it did here, but again it went below the 200 EMA. So I think it is not looking good for this coin, especially in a market like this. If there is news that they are hiding and this is insider buying, that means the token can go higher if they announce the news. If not, I think these are just investors actually bringing in the liquidity so that they can just sell, nothing more than this. So I think, again, if you are planning to hold this coin for a long term, please be careful. And if you are just trading it, I think you can do whatever you like, because this coin is not a good hold for the long term as of now. That's what it seems like. But for the trading, it can be pretty interesting. You can actually buy at lower prices and sell it as soon as it pumps, like it did today. Anyways, this was it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.